Hello everyone, this is Shishi from DJI Authorized Resale Store in San Francisco. From September the 22nd to October the 1st, we have the in-store event called DJI Mavic 2 Fan Week. So if you have visited us or purchased anything from us during this period, you will have a raffle ticket looks like this. And on the bottom of the ticket you can see there's a ticket number, and on the other side it explains what kind of gift you can have when you win this raffle. Okay, let's run the raffle. And first of all, please make sure you have visited this location. It is 735 Montgomery Street, located in San Francisco. This is the only authorized resale store in Bay Area. And if you have purchased anything, remember what kind of ticket you get from us. It looks like this. Okay, so actually we have two raffles, and the first raffle I want to run, it is the exclusive raffle for visitors. So let's confirm our gifts. First of all, it is the Manfrotto backpack. It can be opened, and it's a perfect space to store your drone. And the second prize, it is the DJI gift bag. It is large gift bag here, and we can just put everything we want from us, like the free purchase gift or free giveaways, and you can guess what we have inside. And the third prize, it is called stationery kit and one baseball cap. So the baseball cap, you might have seen it elsewhere, but this one has the logo on it, and it's pretty exclusive actually. Only the DJI authorized store can has it. And this is a stationery kit. Alright, and the last one, the last gift I really love to mention is this gift card. So if you're going to buy a drone or anything from DJI, or maybe you're just writing a birthday card, this is a very nice design. So we have a very limited supply of this card. So when you're picking up your prize, just mentioning about this card, we can try to give you one. Okay, and let's see all the raffle tickets. I already put it in this box. Let's mix it well. Okay, let's put this as a background. Okay, so let's see the grand prize, which is the backpack. It is number 46, and your name is Olala. So please check the ticket we gave it to you, and on the bottom this is the ticket number. If your number is 46, please call us, or actually we will contact you by email and by phone. So please take attention to our contacts. Okay, and the second prize, one DJI gift pack. I mean the big box over there. Let's see. We have three winners here, so let's see what number we can get. Okay, this is the number 16, Teddy. You are the first guy to get a second prize. Okay, and number 18, Christopher. You are the second. Okay, and number 5, Sai Jacob. You are the third guy. So let's see, number 5, number 18, and number 16. 3 of you can have the second prize, one DJI gift pack. Okay, let's win the third prize. The third prize, it is a stationery kit and one DJI baseball cap. Okay, let's see. Okay, number 1, it is the Daniel Cho. Second winner, number 10, Robert D. Number 9, and Neil Yan. Okay, So 3 of you, let me put them together. You got the third prize, 1 stationery kit and 1 baseball cap. Number 1, Daniel. Number 10, Robert. And number 9, Anne. Thank you for watching this video, guys. So the winners will contact you by phone and email. Please check our message and anything. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.